If you've been watching this series, you know we've been travelling with our own car around the Japan countryside. But now it's time to give it up and head to Tokyo on a bullet train. Join us this week on World Rampage.
As we say goodbye to our little rental car, well, I say little, but it's actually a massive limousine in this country. It's been fantastic. Driving in Japan is very easy. Just go slow. There's no rush. Make sure you look out for pedestrians because they have the right of way, as you can see. Everyone waits for them. Look out for them when you're turning as well.
Definitely, especially as Aussies, we looked at things that were 200 kilometres away and we just went, okay, yep, 100 k's an hour, it's 2 hours, you know. You do not go above 80 here. The fastest we went was 80.
So 200 kilometres isn't going to take you 2 hours. It's going to take you three and a half.
Yeah.
A lot of the country roads are only 50. So, and I mean, there's no cars around, no lights, there's no, you know, just mountains, and you're still only doing 50. Next up, bullet train.
You are looking for your track at JR Shinkansen. There are little barcodes or QR codes down here on the seating, which you can scan and then translate into English. Or there is also a really big boarding gate kind of thing, just like in the airport, in the distance there.
We're on platform 27, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Then, go for a wander, you can see there, 25, 26. 27 is all the way down there.
But that one's only, you know, for the next couple of hours. So if you get here super early, like we did, use the QR codes on the back of the chairs. It's super helpful. You just got to know what train you're catching, and then you can search for it. We have about 15 minutes until our train comes. So we're going to start heading up to our gate now and see the bullet train roll in. Let's go.
Bullet train to Tokyo, or as you know it as the Shinkansen. Let's take a look, see what's around. So we got the dunny. So just like an aeroplane dunny, nothing too flash, but a bit more room than an aeroplane dunny, I think. So yeah, as we go further down, all the doors they're all open automatically. So yeah. You got another cabin down here. It's hard to walk, but they've got these cool little knobs that you can just grab onto as you're walking down, and which is helpful. Just for those who don't know, right now we're doing 280 kilometers an hour. That's flat out. I mean, look at the town go past. 280 kilometers an hour. That's absolutely mental. Here we found Jessie. Mum's been wondering where you were.
I was in the toilet.
What toilet? Jessie's going to show us the toilet that he was in. So we'll follow him down and we'll find out which toilet he was using. Alright, here we go. Down here we've got Mum and Dad. Dad's asleep as you would expect. Oh, no, he's awake. So, alright. Where are we going next? Okay, this is Jessie's fancy toilet. Well, through here is the premium cabin. This one? Oh, this one. Oh my god, you could lay down and have a sleep in that one. All automatic doors. Press the button. Well, it's supposed to close. Oh, there we go. Jessie's pressed it and it's closing. So no need to touch the door or anything, it just closes all itself. Trash bags. I think these are storage lockers for your luggage. So let's walk through premium class. Oh no, this is just a normal carriage, just like the last one that we went through. I think the next one is the premium carriage, so we'll just go and have a look at that, see what that one's like. But yeah, these are all reserved seats. Here's some of the train workers. Doing a good job, as you'd expect. And there's a man at his desk there. He just waved to me. So this is the green colour, this is the premium one. So as you can see, the seats are a lot wider, a lot more comfort, but they do cost about $120 more for the same trip that we're doing. So I'm happy with ours. We didn't need to get the premium. Our seats are comfortable enough, so more toilets. Here's some more of these storage lockers. So you put your stuff in and it actually locks it in there, and then you use your PIN code to get it out. But as you see here, reservation required. But that's a great idea. I mean, any of our bags you could just pull out, but if you've got a big suitcase, yeah, you could pop it in there, have it stored, go to your seat, chill out, relax, not have to worry about what's happening with your luggage. Another premium one, very quiet on these trains. Hence why I'm wearing the microphone, so you can actually hear what I'm saying. But yeah, premium class. Not bad, good size. They've all got wider chairs, more comfortable. Private door. What's in this one? Oh, look. Oh yeah, these are comfy.
These are quite comfy.
Yeah, they're quite wide, but they're no wider than the ones we've got. They've got the same amount of leg room too, by the looks of it, except you've got a cool little footrest. Yeah. Oh, and they're electric. Now that's cool. Whee! Sit down and up again. That's cool. Alright, let's continue. Let's see if we can find cattle class. I think it's cars 1 and 2. Just keep walking down. Alright, what have we got in here? More of those lockers, a private room. There's probably a man in there doing his bookwork. Here's another oh, this is the smoking room in car number 7 was abolished in March 2022. So this is car number 7. But you can't smoke, so you cannot smoke on the bullet train. So that was a smoking room. Wow. That thing would have been absolutely packed. All right, we're back into a normal reserved car again. I think we're out of all the special ones. Everybody's on their phones or asleep. No one's looking at the preview. Alright, cabin number 6. What have we got in here? Yep. Just your normal reserved one. Yeah, nothing fancy here. Let's keep going and see what we can find further up. Again, everyone's either on their phones or asleep in here. So, what have we got in between? We've got another 2 toilets and a storage locker. There you go, now you can see your storage locker. But you could just pull that out.
I don't think they lock.
I think that's supposed to go up and around your thing and then plug back in. I don't know. Who knows? We have another one and a security man. I'm going to turn around and show you the security man. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't know if he was going to yell at me for filming, but he didn't. So now we're through another reserved one. It's taken us 10 minutes so far to walk down here. Right, next cabin, cabin 4. Let's go. Oh, right, what have we got in here? Another 2 toilets and another storage locker. I think there's only the one with that really fancy toilet. Imagine being all the way down the back and you've got to take your child up to change it all the way up there. It'd take you forever to walk up there. Right, cabin 2. Basically the same one, but this one is a non-reserved one. So basically you can buy the cheap ticket and you just find a seat, which doesn't guarantee if you are all together that you will end up together by the end of it. So this one's just been discontinued a month ago.
A month?
1 month ago, yeah.
That's 2024.
Oh, okay, a year and a month ago. They abolished all the smoking carts. Let's walk back through. Okay, so we have another 10 minutes of walking in that direction just to get back to our car. That's how long these trains are. They're huge. Like, I literally cannot believe how big they are. That is mental. You get on the Perth trains, they're only like 3 or 4 carriages long. I tell you what though, this 2.5 hour ride has just flown past. It's not been a drag, it's actually been really good. So we think that Mount Fuji was back there. But we're not too sure. I think we missed it. It was covered in clouds, so we weren't sure if that was it or not. But we are doing a Mount Fuji tour in a few days, so we will be able to show you film of that. Oh yeah, we're almost in Tokyo. So yeah, Mount Fuji was back there. As I started walking, we went past it, but absolutely covered in clouds, so yeah. No good pictures there. Check this out.
Exit subway.
I know it's in that direction, somewhere.
First looks at Tokyo is freaking mental. People everywhere.
After navigating our way off the bullet train and onto the next train, we finally made it to our hotel. Just a short train trip away from Shinjuku Station.
Welcome to Tokyo. We're here, finally. This is our first looks at it, and it looks exactly like it does in all the movies and everything. Big signs everywhere and high-rise buildings. It does.
That is crazy.
This is the most Japan we've seen in Japan yet.
Well, the most Japan movie we've seen.
Okay.
If you don't include Ghibli.
Which way are we going? Pack horse, pack horse. I am the pack horse.
Orange sherbet.
Me. What is it, Yana?
It's dried fish.
Are you gonna eat it?
I already ate one. We were put in a really awkward position by Luke.
Me?
Yes, by Luke.
Me?
And yeah, the man was like, try it, and I was like, okay. And I ate it, and I'm trying to get around the corner so I can put it away because I feel really bad. It was very fishy.
You gotta eat it.
Obviously it was fishy. It's a
I ate
fish.
the whole thing, including the head. Oh my. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you on the next Rampage.